So in this video we're going to show you the installation of the Sungrow Urban on a wooden deck, 6x6 seater. We often get asked what's the easiest way to install the greenhouse on a base. So for any dimension of the greenhouse, the width will always be 3 meters, exactly to the T. The length will be multiples of 2 meters plus 6 centimeters. The exact measurements in inches are also available on the website. This is basically what we've done. We took a 6x6 seater, screwed it all together, and now we're going to show you what's the easiest way to actually secure it to the frame. This is the Sungrow Urban. It's 3 meters wide, 4 meters and 6 centimeters long for the frame. The greenhouse will be flush with the outside edges of the frame, and we'll now show you the easy way of securing it, and then later on you'll see how the polycarbonate is laying on the outside of the frame. Now that the frame is complete, it's time to attach it to the base. This is the Sungrow Urban. So the exact measurements of the base are 3 meters wide and 4 meters and 6 centimeters long. Just over 118 inches. You will have the measurements of the base in your manual. Start with securing the corners and then proceed to the rest. So as you can see, the polycarbonate sits on the outside of the metal frame and just overlaps with